This is Bill from Adjustable Airsoft. I have 2 sets of 5 of the mystery sticker swipe packs. I also have 15 more that I got and I already opened that I'll quick show. So let's get right into this. I removed the outer bag just because to make it a little quicker. There is the sticker. Let's see what we got. Let's start going through these and see if we got some more. Ooh, this is the holographic one of, I think, Boaz. So we got a Boaz hollow. I didn't have that one in the other batch. We got a Cisco, maybe glow in the dark or maybe normal. I think it might be glow in the dark. And I'll give better shots of these here in a minute. That was the newer Cisco, I believe. Version. No, that's the older one. Okay. We got Kevin, possibly a glowing dark, maybe a normal. Oh, Cisco. Did we get a signed one this time? Who knows? I didn't get any signed ones last time. Another one of those. Prismatic Kevin, or Boaz, Kevin? Oh, Kevin. Come on. Alright. Alright, another normal one. Looks like a normal one anyways. Ooh, okay. The glitter or whatever of Boaz. So we got the hollow and the glitter. Nice. I don't think I had that one before. Oh, nice. The glitter Cisco. Like I said, I'll give a better close-up of all these right at the end. There's 10 of them. And another new school Cisco. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10. Perfect. Alright. Let's get all those out of the way. Okay, so I had to switch over to my cell phone to get a little bit better view of close-ups of these. So here we go. So we have the regular Kevin, the prismatic, let's see a better angle, there we go, prismatic, or no, I think that's the glitter, maybe, I don't know, of Kevin. And we have the hollow of Boaz, the holographic, the glitter, and then lastly the glow in the dark for Boaz. Then we go to Cisco. We got the hollow original version. Sorry about the glare there. Next up is the glitter original and the holographic. I did some testing after I had some technical difficulties with my actual camera, and I found out that the Boaz and Cisco were the hollows. And we have some regular of the new Cisco and the holographic, or sorry, this Cisco, by the way, is glow in the dark, I forget. And then the holographic. So that one and that one are the 2 glow in the darks. The only 2 in the set that are glow in the dark. For some reason, Kevin didn't get a glow in the dark. Don't know why. So, in looking on the site, it looks like I'm missing the glitter and prismatic for Cisco, the original version of Cisco, and then the original version of Boaz. Then I'll have a complete set. I actually have another 20 that will be coming. I don't think they've started pulling those yet. It was for the E-Vice giveaway. And then I also have a amped $100 mystery box, which should be getting here Thursday. Today is Saturday. This video will probably come up later this week. I'll probably record the other one on Thursday night, and it'll be out probably next weekend. So, but yeah, I figured I'd get a better close-up of these so y'all can see them. And then at the end of the month, I have an expo at my local arena. And hopefully during that week, because I took the week off leading up to it, I'll be able to get out, maybe do some reviews and shooting tests with some of my rifles that I haven't had the chance to because I live in an apartment. Anyway, just thought I'd give you guys a little better view up close of the stickers. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later, y'all.